It's a beautiful day, and this time we got a Tango Red Audi A3. This is a very strong entry-level Audi car, manufactured in 2019 and it was registered in 2020. It's a single owner car. This car is available in Bangalore with first car. आपको इसका एड्रेस थोड़ी देर में स्क्रीन में फ्लैश होगा. मैं आपको इसका कॉस्ट भी बताऊंगा. So stay tuned with me. This is Roy from MeOnWings. Let's take a tour of this car. Under the hood, this beast comes with 2000cc 4 cylinders turbocharged engine capable of delivering max power of 143 bhp and a torque up to 320 Newton meter. It's an automatic car with 6-speed gearbox and it has front-wheel drive. It's a diesel car. In the front you can see it gives you a punchy look. It has a hexagonal chrome grille with an elegant Audi logo showing up. Look at the mean headlights on it. These have DRLs. At the rear, Audi gives you a very sporty look on A3. This particular variant has a chrome-plated twin exhaust pipes. It has dynamic indicators at the back. The boot space is 425 liters and the fuel capacity the tank has is 50 liters. This one has keyless entry. Audi A3 has a single owner, driven only for 3,000 kilometers. It has a valid comprehensive insurance on it. This is Karnataka registered car. Audi A3 has power adjustable exterior rear view mirrors. You get rain sensing wipers. Look at the tires. It comes with 16-inch alloy wheels. This one comes with ABS, center locking, power door locks, child safety locks. This car has total 6 airbags. The front seats are adjustable. It also has lumbar controls on the seat. This car gives you front and rear camera. It comes with park assist to help you park your car properly. Well, this car gives you a top speed of 215 km/h and the mileage it offers is 20 km per liter. Let's hop inside and see what it offers on your entertainment and communication things. तो आपको इसमें CD player मिलता है, इसमें AM/FM radio आता है, all doors have speakers, इसमें integrated 2 DIN audio system है, आपको front console पे USB and aux inputs facility दी जाती है, wherein you can charge your phone and other devices. This also has Bluetooth connectivity with touchscreen display. इसमें total 10 speakers आते हैं, so you can really enjoy the sound system sitting inside the car. It has 17.78 centimeter display with high-res graphics. It has Audi phone box with wireless charging and it also has Audi music interface. If we talk about the seats inside, it is 100% leather. It gives you enough leg room in the rear and in the front. आपको front console में you get cigarette lighter. On instrument gauge you have digital odometer, digital clock, outside temperature display, electronic multi-trip meter और tachometer मिलता है. This is a spotless car, almost a brand new one. So that was gorgeous Audi A3 35 TDI Premium Plus. Hope you like the car. So you can call up on the number flashing down here and get in touch with the dealer to buy this car, and the price is 28,75,000. It's negotiable. So this was Roy from MeOnWings. Please like the video, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification about all such cars that I bring to you. Thank you.